Hyperliquid's native token, HYPE, has surged more than 23% in the last 24 hours, reaching a new weekly high near $47. This price movement marks HYPE's strongest level since October 2025, signaling a renewed wave of institutional interest and favorable macroeconomic developments within the Hyperliquid ecosystem. The surge is being attributed to multiple catalysts, including the launch of US-listed Hyperliquid exchange-traded products, ETPs, and broader structural tailwinds from key players in the crypto finance space. The immediate catalyst appears to be the debut of two US-listed Hyperliquid ETFs, which are providing traditional investors with regulated exposure to the HYPE token. One of these, the Bitwise Spot Hyperliquid ETF, BHYP, began trading on the NYSE this week. The ETF features a sponsor fee of 0.34% and includes a full fee waiver for the first month on assets up to $500 million. This product is designed to stake a portion of its holdings through Bitwise's own staking unit, which could add further demand pressure for HYPE. Institutional adoption is a key driver of token price dynamics, and the Hyperliquid ecosystem is gaining traction in that space. Coinbase's recent role as the official treasury deployer of USDC on Hyperliquid has added. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A structural revenue and liquidity tailwind for HYPE. This move could help stabilize the token's price and increase its utility within the broader crypto finance landscape. At the same time, regulatory developments are also playing a role in shaping sentiment. Progress on the Clarity Act in the U.S. Senate has been cited as a positive signal for the digital asset market. The proposed legislation could provide clearer regulatory boundaries for crypto assets, which in turn may encourage more institutional participation and reduce market uncertainty. On-chain metrics and technical indicators suggest that the rally in HYPE could face resistance. A rising wedge pattern on the HYPE USD chart implies the possibility of a deeper correction if the pattern breaks downward. Conversely, a decisive breakout above current levels could extend the current gains. Traders are now closely watching price action for signs of sustainability beyond the initial hype of the ETF launch. The rally in HYPE is also being supported by broader macroeconomic factors. The token's performance is being viewed through the lens of a broader trend in institutional-grade crypto products. As more traditional investors seek regulated exposure to digital assets, products like Hyperliquid ETFs are filling a growing niche in the market. However, the rally is not without risks. While the near-term upside is clear, market participants are assessing whether the momentum can be sustained. If the price action begins to show signs of weakening, it could trigger a broader correction in the HYPE token and the wider market. This is particularly important given the token's relatively recent performance and the potential for volatility in the sector. The next key signal to watch will be the price action around the $47 level and whether the HYPE USD chart can confirm a breakout above the rising wedge pattern. A sustained move above. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. That threshold could signal further institutional buying and renewed confidence in the Hyperliquid ecosystem. Conversely, a breakdown below the pattern could indicate a shift in sentiment and a potential pullback in the token's price. Institutional interest in crypto is growing, and the HYPE token is now at the center of that movement. The combination of new ETF products, regulatory progress, and structural liquidity developments is creating a unique environment for the token. Whether this momentum can be maintained will depend on how the broader market responds to these developments and whether the rally can hold beyond the initial launch week excitement.